Our 3 horsepower monoblock condensing cooling system. First off, the overall dimensions. We have an overall length of 41 3/4 inches. A height standing at, we have a height of 31.5 inches tall. And a depth of 43 inches in length. Measurements for each of the 4 fans will include 13.5 inches in radius. Measurements for this insulation area will include 41 inches in length by 18 inches in height. Measurements for the length and height is a reference of how much space needs to be cut in order for the front face or the front evaporator fan to be facing towards the inside. Coming to the front are the 2 main fans, and the back, the evaporator coil. Coming to the top will be the wiring that's required to hook up this monoblock, with a sticker shown here showing the specs along with the technical diagram showing the information. 220 voltage and single phase. And coming to the back will be the Dixo controller to adjust the temperature as needed. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.